Your credit score is not designed to help you. It's designed to make banks money. 300 to 850. That 3-digit number controls whether you get an apartment, a car loan, a mortgage, or even a job. Americans obsess over it, but almost nobody understands what it actually measures, who profits from it, or how to use it to your advantage. There are over 200 million Americans with credit scores. The three major bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion generate over $12 billion per year. Selling data about your financial behavior, you're the product. And today, we're going to show you exactly how the system works. Your credit score is made up of 5 factors. Payment history is 35%, the most important. Miss one payment and your score drops 50 to 100 points. Credit utilization is 30%. How much of your available credit you use. The rule: keep it under 10%, not 30%. Length of credit history is 15%. This is why closing old accounts hurts you even when it feels responsible. New credit inquiries are 10%. Credit mix is 10%. Having different types of credit shows lenders you can handle it. Here's what the credit bureaus don't tell you. Your score is designed to keep you borrowing. A perfect 850 score means nothing to your actual wealth. Most obsessed people are often in debt. Rich people use credit strategically, not emotionally. They use credit to leverage other people's money while their own assets grow. If your score is below 650, here's the fastest way to fix it. First, get a secured credit card. Put $300 on it. Use it only for one small purchase per month. Pay it in full. In 6 months, your score will jump 40 to 80 points. Second, become an authorized user on someone else's old account with perfect payment history. Third, dispute every error on your credit report. 1 in 5 Americans has an error. Go to annualcreditreap.com. It's free. Dispute anything incorrect directly with the bureau. Wealthy Americans use 0% intro AP cards to float purchases interest-free while their money earns returns in the market. They stack sign-up bonuses, earning travel rewards without paying fees. They never carry a balance. If you pay interest, the bank wins. Credit is a tool. Used wrong, it destroys you. Used right, it multiplies your money. Let me bust 3 myths fast. Myth 1. Checking your own credit hurts your score. False. Soft inquiries never affect your score. Only hard inquiries from lenders do. Myth 2. You need to carry a small balance to build credit. False. This was created by credit card companies to get interest. Myth 3. Closing unused cards improves your score. Usually false. Closing cards increases your utilization ratio, which hurts your score. Your credit score is a tool, not a trophy. Stop optimizing it for a number, and start using it strategically to build real wealth. If you found this useful, subscribe for more financial truths, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest credit score question?